Okay. Me and Kadyn. Out kayaking, baby. Wise Lake. Kadyn's first time in a kayak.
And my first time in a boat alone.
His first time piloting his own watercraft.
Yep.
How cool is that? So we're about 70 yards from the shore where we got in. He's doing good. Ooh, just seen a fish jump. But we didn't bring any fishing poles today because we're taking kayak lessons. Me and him's going to ride around here and get the fundamentals of paddling down and enjoy this beautiful scenery. Check it out. Ain't that nice? Okay, so we're taking off and we're going to do some paddling. Hit it, Kadyn. Take off paddling. Push off from me. There you go. Now, go easy, okay? Straighten your paddle up a little bit. Your paddle should be like this. See, vertical? Okay. And then it goes in the water like, good job. There you go. And bend them elbows. Mm-hmm. Are they sore? Yeah. You'll be alright. Had to build them muscles up, buddy. You'll be able to make a 3-point shot from that basketball goal. What do you think about it? And don't get over in them trees, okay? Don't get it too deep. Just about half your paddle should go in the water. I don't want you to get too close to that shore in case that bear shows up. It might decide to grab you. What are we going to do if a bear grabs you? Huh? Be goodbye, Kadyn, won't it? Stuff now, alright? You're not auditioning for a movie show, okay?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, it's Papa and Kadyn out here on Pound Reservoir. Wave, Kadyn.
Hi.
And this is Kadyn's second trip out in the kayak. That's my old kayak. I put some outriggers on it. You can see they're kind of homemade, but they do a really good job keeping it steady. And homemade rod holders on it. Seem to work pretty good. They're a little big, I think, but they do the job. And my homemade paint job looks like snakeskin, but it won't last long because it's spray paint. And we're out.
He put the little potato sack.
You got to talk loud too now.
He put the potato sack.
Onion sacks.
The onion sacks.
Yeah.
On it. And just spray painted black all over it. And it looks like a snake pattern.
Looks pretty cool, huh? So we're gonna play around in the lake here a little bit, maybe catch some fish.
Before we started rolling, we actually started trying to fish a bit.
Come on, Kadyn. Come on up here with me, okay? Alright. It's Pound Reservoir. Met a guy a while ago. He was putting his houseboat in, and he said there were a lot of copperheads on the bank and stuff. Warned us about that, so we don't plan on bank fishing any. Come on up here, Kadyn.
I'm trying.
Take your time now. Easy strokes. Easy strokes. Strokes with your left. Remember, stay about a length away, okay? There you go. There you go. Alright, so we're going to float down through here, kind of check things out. Seen some fish jumping. Tried some salmon eggs, nothing. Tried some orange power bait, nothing. So we may get down here and switch our bait around a little bit and see what we can get. Going out there in front of me a little bit so everybody can see you paddle and what a good job you're doing. So remember how I showed you, don't, if you're going forward, don't do that, okay? Just paddle to one side or the other, every which side you need to get to, okay? So you need to go left or right, keep paddling left, okay? You might see a bear out here. I hope we don't. I don't want to have to fight no bears, do you?
Nope.
So.
Probably my best weapon, my second best weapon, will be this right here bottle.
What are you going to do with a bear with a water bottle? Ooh, let's get under these trees where it's shady. Okay, give my bald head a break. I'll talk a little bit about my kayak, the one I'm in. It's a feel-free moking, I think is what they call them, a 10-foot. 10 foot. It's got the wheel in the back, so when you unload it, you don't have to carry it. You can roll it. Pretty steady, seems to be. Got plenty of storage for a good little fishing kayak. I don't know, the leg thing seems a little short for me, but
I kind of feel like me and him should switch since that's too small for him and it's too big for me.
Yeah. This one's a lot heavier though. This one weighs about 20 pounds more than that one. And I want you in the most sturdy one right now, and that one's it. So
when I get to bed.
Well, it's better for you starting out. So you can see the lake looks pretty clean actually down through here at the boat dock. It was pretty nasty. A lot of.
I saw a bunch of glass bottles. There's some Coke cans.
A lot of trash, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know why there's trash? Because people don't pick up after themselves, right?
Yeah.
Always got to leave something better than the way you found it, right?
Yeah. Right before we noticed, we actually threw stuff away.
In the trash can, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we always put our trash in the trash can. Come on up here in front of me a little bit. So this looks like a pretty good little spot. What do you think? So we're going to cut the camera off, do a little maybe fishing right here. Got a little deep pool. Looks pretty clear.
When it comes up, we'll be able to see it.